Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Web Mentor Magic. इस वीडियो में मैं ISL202 Islamic Study Final Term की प्रिपरेशन के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट MCQs शेयर करूंगा, जो आपके पेपर को सॉल्व करने में मददगार होंगे। साथ ही मैं कुछ यूजफुल टिप्स भी दूंगा जो आपकी प्रिपरेशन को और बेहतर बनाएंगे। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले जरूर इस वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, ताकि आपको ऐसी हेल्पफुल वीडियोस रेगुलरली मिलती रहें। चलें, बिना टाइम ज़ाया किए शुरू करते हैं। 1. Which one of the following is the exact meaning of jabin? Type in Arabic. A. Sun B. Star C. Forehead D. River correct. Answer C. Forehead. 2. Momineen has been prescribed fasting in Holy Quran so that they, 1. A. Feel the hunger of poor, B. Become healthy, C. Become muklisin, D. Become mutakin. Correct answer, D. Become mutakin. 3. The Holy Prophet, PBUH, said, "It is I which keeps you away from all kinds of evil." A. Rosa B. Hajj C. Namaz D. Taqwa. Correct answer, C. Namaz describes the concept of comprehensively. A. Prophethood B. Holy Book C. Angels D. Tawheed. Correct answer, D. Tawheed. O Nabiyan 1-5. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created Iblis from Ma. A. Clay B. Hell C. Fire D. Light. Nur. Correct answer, C. Fire. 6. Which distinguishing quality of the Holy Prophet, PBUH, is mentioned in the following verse? A. Splitting of the moon. Ascension, mirage, C. All of the given options, D. Receiving of revelation. Correct answer, C. All of the given options. 7. Faith in Allah means to believe in A. Holy Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, B. All of the given options, C. All prophets, D. Angels, correct answer, B. All of the given options. 8. Allah Almighty described 3 positive adjectives in Surah Al-Layl, which are charity, A. Truth, B. Justice, C. Prayer, D. Fearing God. Correct answer, D. Fearing God. 9. The Holy Prophet, PBUH, said that the Jews have been split up into sects. A. 71, B. 73, C. 74, D. 72. Correct answer, A. 71. 10. The Holy Quran says that every talk and action of man is being, how? By angels. A. Forwarded, B. Reminded, C. Responded, D. Preserved. Correct answer, D. Preserved. 4. और आज के दौर में सिर्फ तालीम हासिल करना काफ़ी नहीं है, बल्कि स्किल्स सीखना भी उतना ही ज़रूरी है। तालीम हमें सोचना और समझना की सलाहियत देती है, जबकि स्किल्स हमें प्रैक्टिकल ज़िंदगी के मसाइल हल करने और अपने मकासद हासिल करने का तरीका सिखाती हैं। अगर आप अपने करियर को नए होराइजन्स तक ले जाना चाहते हैं, तो इस फैसले को आज ही अपनाएं। 40+ premium courses in one package. Crypto Mastery by Wakar Zaka. SEO by Tanvir Nandla. Amazon VA and Dropshipping by Shahid Anwar. Graphic Designing, 300 gigabytes plus resources. Ethical Hacking and Mobile Hacking. Web Development, HTML, CSS, JS, Python and more. Freelancing on Fiverr and Upwork. Animation, game and app development. Forex trading, blogging and digital marketing. और बहुत कुछ. Original price, $300 plus offer. Price, सिर्फ 499 rupees. Skill सीखो और पैसे कमाओ. अभी रब्ता करें. 030447 52616. 11. Which one of the following is the perfect meaning of Fuza? Type in Arabic. A. Blessing B. Happy C. Success D. Contentment. Correct answer, C. Success reminder in the verse. Allah has indeed sent down to you a reminder. A. All of the given options. B. Holy Quran. C. Supplications. D. Hadith. Correct answer. B. Holy Quran. 13. The highest stage of ikhlas is the rendering of an act. A. For self-satisfaction. B. For worship. C. For the sake of Allah. D. For a good life. Correct answer. C. For the sake of Allah. 14. Compilation of hadith has been completed in more than years after the demise of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, PBUH. A. 50B, 100C, 90D, 40. Correct answer, B. 115. The real fruit and outcome of good deeds is getting what? A. Reward in hereafter. B. Reward in this world. C. Fame in this world. D. None of the given options. Correct answer, A. Reward in hereafter. 16. The hypocrites will be in the lower part of the fire. It is mentioned in Surah. A. Al-Munafiqun. B. Al-Ahzab. C. Al-Nisa. D. Al-Fatir. Correct answer, C. Al-Nisa. 17. According to the hadith, worshipping Allah with the intention that you see Allah and Allah sees you is the best stage of yees in worship. A. Devotion. I. All of the given options. C. Ikhlas. D. Surah Nisa. Correct answer, B. All of the given options. 18. Synonym of taqwa and God-fearing is ma'ig. A. Following Sunnah. B. Prophet-obeying. C. God-obeying. D. God-consciousness. Correct answer, D. God-consciousness. 119. The following verse shows the hierarchy of Ama'av. A. Obedience. B. Social. C. None of the given options. D. Religious. Correct answer, D. Religious. 20. Obedience is the compliance that is done with 1. A. All of the given options. B. Happiness. C. Contentment. D. Willingness. Correct answer, A. All of the given options. 21. What is the third premise or demand of Aqidah-e-Nabuwat? A. Faith on miracles of prophets. B. No discriminate among prophets. C. All of the given options. D. All prophets were human beings. Correct answer, C. All of the given options. 22nd. On the occasion of Pledge of Rizwan, dignified and praised the companions of the Holy Prophet, PBUH, by saying that his hand is on their hands. A. Hazrat Abu Bakr. R. A.B. All prophets. C. Allah Almighty. D. Holy Prophet. PBUH. Correct answer, C. Allah Almighty. Now 23. According to a hadith, if you don't have, then do whatever you like. A. Haya. B. Taqwa. C. Literacy. D. Generosity. Correct answer, A. Haya. 24. Allah Almighty says in Surah Al-Ahzab that, indeed, in the Lawmu, you have a good example to follow for him who hopes in Allah and the last day and remembers Allah much. A. Holy Prophet Muhammad. PBOH. B. None of the given options. C. Saints. D. All prophets. Correct answer, A. Holy Prophet Muhammad. PBUH. 25. Mu'mineen has been prescribed fasting in the Holy Quran so that they A. Become healthy. B. Become muqsifin. C. Feel the hunger of the poor. D. Become muttaqin. Correct answer, D. Become muttaqin. 26. The Holy Prophet, PBUH, said that, after me you shall be ruled by A. Caliphs. B. Bureaucrats. C. Judges. D. Rulers. Correct answer, A. Caliphs. 27. Taqwa is the only force that can, well, A. All of the given options. B. Purify oneself. C. Turn life into the right path. D. None of the given options. Correct answer, A. All of the given options. 28. Which organ of the body has a central role in our spiritual life? A. Stomach. B. Heart. C. Liver. D. Brain. Correct answer. B. Heart. 29. Which one of the following is the accurate meaning of Rabiat, Arabic? A. Dependent. B. Humble. C. Strong. D. Clear. Correct answer. C. Strong. 30. The specific act that nourishes Allah's love is A. Aggression. B. Arrogance. C. Taqwa. D. Belief. Correct answer. C. Taqwa. 31. Referring a matter to the Holy Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, means to solve it in the light of Allah's. A. Holy Quran and Sunnah. B. Holy Quran. C. All of the given options. D. Sunnah. Correct answer. A. Holy Quran and Sunnah. 32. In which surah does Allah Almighty say, I created the jinn and humankind only that they might worship me? A. Al-Zariyat. B. Al-Hujurat. C. Al-Mulk. D. Al-Maida. Correct answer. A. Al-Zariyat. And 33rd. Rendering an act to please people but not motivated by any desire for worldly gain is the degree of ikhlas. A. Higher. B. Lesser. C. Surpassing. D. Superior. Correct answer. B. Lesser. 34. It is the belief in Yi which restrains us from evil and keeps us firm on virtues. A. Tawheed. B. Akhirat. C. Takdir. D. Risalat. Correct answer. B. Akhirat and outer emotions. A. Patience. B. Honesty. C. Piety. D. Sincerity. Correct answer. D. Sincerity. This is the saying of Jain. Tansai. Hazrat Ali R.A.B. Prophet Muhammad. PBUHC. Sheikh Abdul Qadir Jilani. D. Imam Ghazali. Correct answer. B. Prophet Muhammad. PBUH. The UTR source of Islamic law. A. Fourth. B. First. C. Third. D. Second. Correct. Answer D. Second. He goes in the list of A. Hindus. B. Hypocrites. C. Christians. D. Jews. Correct answer B. Hypocrites in the court of Najashi. A. Hazrat Abdullah bin Masood. R.A. B. Hazrat Jafar Tayyar. R.A.A.C. Hazrat Abdul Litbah. R.A.A.D. Hazrat Saad ibn Muaz. R.A.A. Correct answer B. Hazrat Jafar Tayyar. R.A.A. 40. How many rounds did Hazrat Hajar complete between Safa and Marwa? A. 7. B. 9. C. 5. D. 6. Correct answer A. 7.